Hello and welcome to a short tour of our online new hire safety and health training. Training newly hired employees on applicable safety and health topics is one of the #1 gaps that we see in our client safety programs. In order to help, we've developed two convenient ways to train newly hired employees. The first reason that we recommend training new hires on safety and health topics is that OSHA requires each employee is trained on hazards they'll encounter on the job, so it is imperative to complete this training before starting their primary duties. This slide touches on OSHA's General Duty Clause, which truly highlights an employer's responsibility. The second reason we recommend this training is that a new hire safety training is a great way to start a new working relationship. It shows the employee that their safety is important to you. Option #1 to new hire training is to have one of our safety and health consultants conduct a live online training. This can take 1 to 2 hours depending on how many topics we need to cover. Here's a step-by-step process of how it works. Our safety and health consultant will develop a custom written PowerPoint that includes all applicable topics for your company. We can include your logo and any pictures that you'd like to send to us as well. The next step will be to schedule a training time, and we will send login information, including a link and what phone number to dial into. The training is conducted over an online meeting, meaning that your new hire can see our screen on a computer and can hear our presenter over the phone. Also, please note that this training requires a reliable internet connection and computer. The person presenting the training will be one of our safety and health consultants, and they'll encourage the new hire to ask questions. Multiple employees can attend one session for no additional investment. Some of our clients that have high turnover or are constantly hiring find this second option to be a great fit. We can create a customized PowerPoint with this option too, but instead of presenting it live, our consultant will record their presentation so that your company can play it over and over again. Once the new hire has watched the video, we can set up a notification to be emailed to whoever you want. Quizzes should then be given after training to test their knowledge. Here's an example of what an introduction slide could look like. We can customize the intro slide to use your company's logo and name, or even a picture that you'd like us to use. The new hire online trainings cover all applicable topics to your company's needs in a summarized format, meaning that it's still imperative that the new hire attend the full on-site training as well because it is more thorough and interactive. So, what topics might we cover? All employees should know their responsibilities that are required by OSHA, so we start the presentation off with a slide such as this. We touch upon all the topics that are applicable to your company, but if you're located in a state that has a state-run plan, such as California, that information will be covered as well. Before the presentation, we can work with you to gather photos depicting your facility or ones taken during a past facility inspection that can be included throughout the slides so that the employee can have a customized experience for training. We'll also go over topics such as emergency evacuation and fire extinguishers, bloodborne pathogens, hearing protection and noise exposure limits, confined space entry, fall protection and common pieces of fall protection equipment, powered industrial truck safety or forklift operation, hazard communication, cranes, slings, and hoists, respirator protection, heat stress, and lockout tagout. Contact us today at 888-403-6026 to get started.